Welcome friends, welcome to India Travel Channel. In today's video, we'd like to know about best offbeat places near Chennai for your next vacation. Before proceeding, I'd request to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get such kind of videos immediately. So friends, let's see less crowded place near Chennai for your vacation. Since only a handful of people know about these places, you can enjoy every bit of your holiday, also maintaining the all important social distancing. And just so you don't have to take a train or flight packed with people, all the places we are picking up are near Chennai and hence perfect for road trip. So find out ahead for more. Nagalpuram. Nagalpuram is a hidden gem of Eastern Ghat which gives you opportunity to trek, witness amazing serenity, scenery and frolic under a waterfall. Though the trek is around 15 km in length, it is moderate in difficulty with not so many steep climbs and sudden drops. Plus, most of the trail goes along a stream, so cooling off after a tiring hour of walking won't be a problem. Distance from Chennai 75 kilometers. Driving time 2 hours. Things to do here: trekking, boating, camping, nature walks. Best time to visit is from October to February. Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary, a great place for one day trip near Chennai. Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary is the paradise for the birdwatchers. The wetland interspread with small islets completely covered by trees, is home to numerous resident and migratory species of birds. Apparently, the migratory birds come here from as far as Canada. Some of the most incredible birds to look out for here are painted storks, open-billed storks, and pelicans. Distance from Chennai is 85 kilometers. Driving time 2 hours. Things to do here: bird watching, photography. Best time to visit November to March. Tada Falls. One of the best places to visit near Chennai within 100 kilometers is Tada Falls, and it is a true oasis of tranquility. It is located within Eastern Ghats, so you can expect the area to be utterly green and alive with birds chirping. You will need to park your vehicles at the base camp and then trek for around 10 kilometers to reach the waterfall, which draws from a height of around 100 meters. Distance from Chennai is 90 kilometers. Driving time 2 hours 30 minutes. Things to do here: hiking, photography, bird watching. Best time to visit is from October to February. Pichavaram Mangrove Forest. The Pichavaram Mangrove Forest, which is located between the Vellar and the Kolidam River, is the second largest mangrove forest in the country after Sundarbans. Not only is this area exceptionally green, but also full of wildlife, so don't forget to take your camera along. To enter the jungle, you need to reach village Pichavaram, where boats and ferries are available to take you through the mangroves or on narrow canals. Distance from Chennai 215 kilometers. Driving time 5 hours. Things to do here: boating, ferry rides, kayaking, canoeing, rowing, fishing, photography, bird watching. Boating time 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Boating charges 200 onwards. Best time to visit from October to February. Yelgiri. If you are looking for unknown places to visit near Chennai for couples, then Yelgiri is a good choice, as its mountain surroundings and weather would definitely fill you with love. It has everything you would look for in a hill station, but thankfully it is no crowded as Kodaikanal or Ooty. Therefore, perfect for quiet escape. water bodies, hill greenery, blue skies, clean air, tea plantation, and a lot more keep couples engaged during their visit to this idyllic place. Additionally, you can even enjoy rock climbing and paragliding. Distance from Chennai 230 kilometers. Driving time 4 hours 25 minutes. Places to visit: Punganur Lake, Nature Park, Jalamgar, Jalamgamparai Waterfalls, Telescope Observatory, Swamimala Hills, Government Herbal Farm, Neelawur Lake. Best time to visit is from October to February. Tranquebar. Tranquebar does not sound like an Indian town, does it? This is because it was originally a Danish seaside colony. So apart from the sun, sand and the sea, it will treat you with the historical ruins. An incredible place to visit near Mumbai in 2 days. It is not only less crowded than many other beach towns near the city, but also so magnificent that it has been featured in the Nat Geo Traveler magazine. An almost unadorned yet grand mud-colored fort on the edge of rocky shores make the scene here dramatic. Distance from the Chennai is 270 kilometers. Driving time 6 hours. Things to do here: Fort Dance Fork visit, beach fun, tasting local seafood. Best time to visit October to February. Horsley Hills. This might not be one of the truly lesser known destinations near Chennai, but still witnesses a lower footfall than some of the other places near the metropolis, such as Pondicherry and Mahabalipuram. Green, cool and calm are just few words that describe the surrounding that await you here. The place has several viewpoints, lakes, streams and waterfalls as one would expect from a hill station. Distance from Chennai 275 kilometers. Driving time 6 hours. Things to do: hiking, photography, wildlife tours, adventure sports. Best time to visit October to February. Collie Hills. If you like an idea of road trip, then you will love the ride to the Collie Hills, which is a picturesque range in the Eastern Ghat. As it is still untouched by tourists to a large extent, it remains much of its natural charm. In these hills, several tropical fruits and medical plants are grown by local villagers. So, come here for some time away from the crowded city and let go yourself in the arm of nature. Distance from Chennai 360 kilometers. Driving time 6 hours 20 minutes. Places to visit: Agasagan, Agasagangai Falls, Botanical Garden, Tamkol Medicinal Farm, Siddhar Caves, and Boathouse. Best time to visit October to March. So friends, now you could know the best upbeat places near Chennai for your next vacation. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.